Si araqqutikallautuasaqarmaatiqatiis pillassantikallawatti
The evil within.
ааллартиннаа моасит qaamangiraasimu killinneqlungaa ааллартиннериаавуас
Let's be careful. It could be full of them.
Normal melekti. Sana kittunga. Masih bisa. Dude. Ay.
Get to cover. They're shooting from above. Now we can get through without getting skewered. We won't stand a chance if we don't take out those other guns.
Kanatsakan nila nga. Come on, shoot. Hey, it's okay, man. Thank you. Bah. Hey! Tuon naman yaksan sa pasyonaro ako. Come on, double jump. Here we go again. Come on. Yep. Hey.
Let's be careful. It could be full of them. The elevator is stopped at the top. Let's look for another way out. This is what the holdup was.
Journal of Sebastian Castellanos. 8 months since Myra and I were married, and you, little Lily, are the result of our love. I can't wait for 2 months to pass so that I can finally meet you, but I must admit that I am scared. I've faced countless dangers in my job, but knowing that I'm going to be a dad is the scariest thing of all. I promise to love you and to protect you with every fiber of my being as long as I am in this world. I will enter this stage of my life the same way I do every important task, with a full heart and the desire to do the best that I can. Just know that you're mother and I love you already and cannot wait to welcome you into this sometimes harsh world.
Sa may okakpiyong gede masanik.
KCPD officer missing search underway for missing detective. Crimson City Police Detective Myra Castellanos, 36, has been reported missing, though she was on duty at the time. A police spokesperson denies connection to any investigation she was involved in. Her husband and superior officer, Sergeant Sebastian Castellanos, had no comment.
발음 있어? Tangoi mà sao coi mà tôi ạ mà sức thì mà sức cái rồi 되는데 박심함.
Do you think Kidman is okay?
I don't like that they used her as bait. Almost like someone's toying with us. Hang in there. Just a little further.
There are only two. We can take them.
No, that's not... Joseph!
Thank you.
You okay?
I'm fine. No need to worry. Should have just let them.
Huh? What the hell?
It's just a matter of time. It's better this way. What the fuck? Cover me.
Let's go.
No. Ah. đâu có đất và xuyên á. I see.
Hurry, this way.
Joseph, are you all right?
Yeah.
Takon yakpamiyasin na siyon na unikisyo ka. Kaos. Kakakusanga ro sa kakanya yun ako yung bata mas.
This looks like some kind of a marketplace. It looks deserted, just like everywhere else. We ought to keep moving.
Ha 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 ha.
Father was a stern man, proud, and I thought intelligent. But he was also pious, a believer. Somehow he always supported the church no matter what the newspaper said. He waved away the allegations as if they were infallible. The wretched, the vermin, the stern, all were taken in by that church. They were promised salvation and eternal life. But there's nothing they could promise that I couldn't take away.
I think I smell those things. They might be nearby.
Where do you suppose we are?
More like when? This architecture seems straight out of the Middle Ages.
Yeah, but there's electricity. Elevators. This place can't be real.
It's like jumbled up memories.
Sok. Spilias ka na kumasadak po.
Shit. Let's hide out in here for a minute.
Is this what it was like, Seb? After the accident?
Well, I never put a gun to my head.
No, of course not. Just quietly sank into a bottle.
We can't all be perfect. It never affected my work. But hey, you read the IA report.
You know I didn't report you because I was worried about your work, Sebastian.
What else is there? We don't have time for this. I need my partner here. I'm counting on you. Find something?
Maybe. It's all symbols. Some kind of cult. Could be useful. I think I'm okay. We should probably get going. Got it, okay.
Tamanin niyan. Mga kama nakarasyon. Tira. Come puoi raraktu ka siya ro.
Church investigation. Pastor under investigation. Parish may have broken church bylaws. Pastor Salvador Graciano denies allegations of financial impropriety. Church officials investigating lack of records on cash donations and spending by the parish. Missing. Pastor Salvador Graciano. Pastor Graciano and several parishioners at Cedar Hill Church are missing. The church has been locked up tight since they disappeared.
Okay para sih. Saan naman nadak siya sa pa? Da 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 da. Da da.
Hold on a minute. Let me climb up here and see if I can get a look ahead.
You all right?
Yeah. Hey, that's Kidman. Who's that she's with? What I found. Seems to be in working condition. Go on ahead, I'll cover you.
Andap. Sikot sekarang nasa warung mo na misyon siya kata to ba? Cuma. Lagi. Oh.
Find cover. They're shooting.
Kangarin. Masadok na si Mapisang gisa. Жоохлын аммарниарпаситтуаққу таа.
Sebastian, that should lead you out near the path to the church. Keep going. I'll cover you.
Kipashutok niyan na. Now's your chance. You can finish him off.
Shit. Dead end.
I'll look for another route. Let's meet up by the horse statue there. This way.
I hate this.
Graveyard note Walt, I've gone to get Donna back. I saw how to get into the wolf's den and I'm getting her back. I won't let her be a sacrifice. Don't follow. Just stay and watch the family. I'll bring her back. Daniel.
Wait, there was something about a horse in that house back there. Let me see what I wrote.
I guess we go down.
I guess so.
No, naaniaqtarerpuasit. Qannasinartanguppisin arlarsimassistamasi paat tullamtakush. Bye bye.